Today, I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can start a small coffee shop business, setting up a table just in front of your house during the summer months. What you need will be an electric kettle. I always recommend to use an electric milk frother. This is very useful for many of our drinks. I would also recommend that you get measuring cups and also shot glass. Now, in terms of ingredients, I'm going to use instant coffee. I just have here a Nescafe Classic Decaf. And you also need creamer. I have here Coffee Mate. You can use any creamer that you can find. If you'd like it to be a little bit cheaper than Coffee Mate, then you can find alternatives in the market. And also, we need condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and also evaporated milk. Now, isn't this cute? This is just a small bottle of evaporated milk. I don't use it that much, but for this purpose, I'm showing this, okay? And you need white sugar. Now, because we are also going to add mocha into our menu, I'm also going to include cocoa powder, okay? So, today, the recipe that I will show you is good for 22 ounces coffee. 3 types of coffee that I will show you: Americano, latte, and mocha. Let's start with the first one. As you can see, when you use the milk frother, you get that bubbly top, which is the same that you will get when you use the shaker. So let's put our ice into our drinks. So there you have it, 3 iced coffee drinks using instant coffee. So let's start. Americano, plain water and coffee, very refreshing. Wow, that is just very strong coffee. Now, if you'd like your coffee to be less strong, you can change from 1 tablespoon of coffee to 2 teaspoons of coffee. Okay? There's Americano. Now let's try cafe latte. Wow, that is really, really special. I mean, you know, it's instant coffee, but still you can taste the coffee and also the perfect balance of the milk. And finally, maybe the superstar. It is mocha. I love chocolate with coffee. Now let's give it a try. Wow, I think this is my favorite for sure. Well, coffee and chocolate, what can be better? It's absolutely perfect for, especially in the Philippines where people in general don't really like to drink very strong coffee. This is just perfect. And I can guarantee it's not the same as what you have tasted before using your instant coffee. Just follow the recipe that I showed you today. Please give these recipes a try. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.